you can see, charger not looking too good right now, but that's okay though. I'm gonna be installing the rest of my wide body kit. I previously did have another wide body kit. You feel me? I've had 2 so far, but I kind of fucked that one up, as you can see. I messed that one up, so I ordered a American, what's it called? MP Customs, you feel me? American Muscles wide body kit, and that's what I'm gonna be installing today. So the first thing I gotta do to install this damn wide body kit is take off the old stuff I had from my previous wide body kit. I had a WIDEBODY wide body kit. Now I got an American Muscle / MP Custom wide body kit. Fucked up my bumper, but it doesn't matter. So before I can put the new wide body fenders on, I gotta take my old wide body fenders off. These I got from WIDEBODY, you feel me? The wide body accessories. I made it full bolt on because I had to move into the garage, but fix this. I had to goddamn weld this a little bit so it all sticks together and look good. Cool, bam. Then I got this. It's finished all the way. No gaps. Then the back is halfway. The back like 70% done. You feel me? All that look good. No gaps. I just gotta finish this part. Yeah. And if you asking where I got my rivets from, I got it from Dress Up. So I got the other side finished fully. I just gotta do this side, this fender, this fender. As I said in the previous clip, I finished the damn bumper because the bumper wasn't connecting. So I did adhesive and I welded it a little bit. Plastic welded it, so now I look good. But as you can see though, we got this one finished, the back finished. We just gotta do this right here. Excuse my garage, nigga, fuck you.
Hey, get your money up, fuck, nigga. Hey.
Day 1 of trying to paint my car. Step 1, let's take the bumper off, because I gotta take that off first. Yay! So yesterday we did my bumper. Today we're gonna try to do the entire body, if not half the body. I did paint this black. It was silver, now it's black. First thing first, we gotta re-clean the car. I got a little too happy. My dumb ass forgot to mask all my windows, in the bag, and everything else. That's a rough day too. I done ran out of paint, but y'all see how that bit coming though. It's coming on.
Muy gusto.
As you can see, I'm painting the car. I got the driver's side, you know, looking pretty good. It's just the base coat. I ain't put the clear coat or the pearl on. But you know, the wide body sitting right there. I gotta fix this little But I wanna paint my spoiler. And for me to paint my spoiler, I gotta take it off. So I gotta take off this, and I think this. So, hold on. Mind you, cuz this is not a tutorial on how to paint your car. This is my first time doing it. I got plenty of fuck-ups, so I don't feel comfortable showing you or giving you a tutorial since I'm, you feel me, not doing it perfectly. But, like I said, though, I gotta take my spoiler off to paint it correctly. I done took off the cover. You're going to have a little screw like this. Just take the little plastic bit off. You know, just unscrew that bit. Throw that bit over there. And you're going to have a 10mm on both sides that you got to take out. And you also got to disconnect your backup camera if your car come with a backup. And just like that, we got the spoiler off. And now we're going to continue to paint.
Tied in with the grams to the teeth. And ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't peep. A couple flips up off this pill, turn me up, and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing, I'm making money all through the week. This bitch got a nigga bored, she tryna be cute and sucking meat. I